So, there. Mommy's going to play some sounds. And if we like it, yes, we smile. If we don't like it, we frown. Okay, here's sound number 1.
1. 2.
I like this. I like the sound. Mommy will play it again. You're smiling. That means you like it. You like the sound of the Cluey.
Record.
2.
Yep, we're waiting.
2. 2.
You're smiling. I think you like that.
2.
Let's see if I like it. Oh. I'm frowning. I don't like it. It is loud.
Symbols.
Those were symbols. Now here comes the third one.
Here comes the third one.
Let's hear the third one again. I wasn't sure if you liked that or not.
Do it again.
You're smiling. I guess you like it.
Symbols.
I am frowning. I don't like it. I don't like it.
Symbol.
We're waiting for the fourth one.
Fourth one.
You're smiling. That means you like
Third
it.
one. Then one again.
Let's hear the fourth one again.
Symbols. Third one.
I'm smiling because I like that one.
Third one.
And here comes the fifth one.
Fifth. Here comes the fifth one.
Die Blume allein sie schlafen.
You're smiling again. Did you like that?
Deeply.
Die Blume allein sie schlafen.
I'm smiling. I like it too. It's time for bed.
Okay.
That must mean it's time for bed.
Third one.
Oh, you want to hear the third one again?
Third one again.
Let's get that on video. Let's hear it again, Mommy.
Symbol.
And the cymbals.
Here goes the third one.
Supposed to scream while you.
Here goes the third one.
Cyrus liked all of our sounds. We didn't hear a frown for anything.
Now the third one.
Okay.
Show him how to hold it. Are you smiling or frowning? I think he likes it.
Symbols lullaby.
Oh, play the cymbals and sing a lullaby, Mommy.
Die Blume allein sie schlafen.
Keep going. They really go together, the cymbals and lullaby. That'll put you to right to sleep.
how as
Symbols. What's this best?